Once again, welcome back with another interesting and vital questions which I am going to discuss as per your doubt, as per your request, okay, of your class 9 mathematics number system, okay. Here is an important question and vital questions which I am going to discuss. Also, an homework has been given to you in the form of assignment at the end of the class. I hope you will follow the class and also you will try for the assignment. Okay, look at the problem here. Thus we have to, in this expression you can clearly see we have to simplify the following expression by rationalizing the denominators. Okay, look at the problem here. Okay, 1 upon 3 minus root 8 minus 1 upon root 8 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2. So here you see clearly the denominator of every expressions are irrational number, and whenever you are simplifying, students, all of you know we have to rationalize the denominator by multiplying suitable rationalizing factor or conjugate factor. All of you know what is conjugate factor, what is rationalizing factor. Okay, let's see the solution. Look at the solution, and here is the solution for you. Okay, let's see once again write the expressions. Okay, okay, you see the first term here is 1 upon 3 minus root 8, and 3 minus root 8 is the denominator which is an irrational number, and we have to multiply this rationalizing factor, and the rationalizing factor of 3 minus root 8 for 3 plus root 8. So we have to multiply 3 plus root 8 in the numerator with 1 and denominator. Okay, let's see, after multiplication we shall get 3 plus root 8 divided by 3 minus root 8 whole into 3 plus root 8. Okay, similarly the second term is minus of 1 upon root 8 minus root 7, and the rationalizing factor of root 8 minus root 7 is root 8 plus root 7. Okay, so we have to multiply root 8 plus root 7 in the numerator and also in the denominator. Okay, minus root 8 plus root 7 divided by root 8 minus root 7 whole into root 8 plus root 7. Similarly, in the third expression we can understand, we can write 1 divided by root 7 minus root 6. So after multiplication, root 7 plus root 6, which is the rationalizing factor of root 7 minus root 6. Okay, and we shall get plus root 7 minus root 6 whole divided by root 7 minus root 6 whole into root 7 plus root 6. Okay, similarly, and in the fourth term is minus sign, put the minus sign, root 6 minus root 5, its rationalizing factor is root 6 plus root 5, which has been multiplied in the numerator as well in the denominator. It will be minus of root 6 plus root 5 divided by root 6 minus root 5 whole into root 6 plus root 5. Okay, similarly the last term, the denominator is rationalizing factor of root 5 minus 2, which is root 5 plus 2, and will be multiplied in the numerator as well in the denominator, and it will be plus root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2 whole into root 5 plus 2. Understood? So we have to multiply the rationalizing factor of denominator in order to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so after C is 3 plus root 8 divided by 3 minus root 8 whole into 3 plus root 8. Here you see the denominator, and we can multiply by using the identity which is a minus b whole into a plus b. Okay, and here the identity we can write, it is a minus b. Okay, here a minus b whole into a plus b. This identity you can use it a square minus b square. Understand? And another also remember, accordingly you can get, and you see here, and here you see 3 minus root 8 whole into 3 plus root 8. Is a 3 the square, okay, minus root 8 the square, 3 the square, minus root 8 the square, it will be root 8 the square, it will be 9 minus 8. Okay, similarly using this identity we can multiply the denominator. Okay, after multiplication of the denominator we shall get the desired expression which is 3 plus root 8 divided by, okay, it will be 3 minus root 8 whole into 3 plus root 8, which is a square minus b square, 3 the square 9 minus root 8 square 8. Similarly second term minus sign, root 8 plus root 7 divided by root 8 square minus root 7 square, which is 8 minus 7, plus sign here plus sign, root 7 plus root 6, here root 7 plus root 6, here root 7 square minus root 6 square, which is root 7 square what? 7 minus root 6 square what? 6. Okay, minus root 6 plus root 5, root 6 plus root 5. Similar manner, root 6 minus root 5 whole into root 6 plus root 5, which is root 6 square 6 minus root 5 square is 5. Here the last term is plus sign, root 5 plus 2, and it will be root 5 minus 2 whole into root 5 plus 2, root 5 plus square 5 minus root 2 square 4. Okay, this is how we can simplify. We can multiply the denominator using the identity a minus b whole into a plus b, which is a square minus b square, right? Okay, so after multiplication we shall get, and let us 3 plus root 8 divided by 9 minus 8 minus root 8 plus root 7 divided by 8 minus 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6 minus root 6 plus root 5 divided by 6 minus 5 plus root 5 plus 2 divided by 5 minus 4, right? So 3 plus root 8, it is 9 minus 8 for 1 minus root 8 plus root 7 divided by 8 minus 7 is 1 plus root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6 is 1 minus root 6 plus root 5 divided by 6 minus 5 is 1 plus root 5 plus 2 divided by 6 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. Now you see 3 plus root 8 divided by 1, we can return 3 plus root 8 minus similarly root 8 plus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6, root 7 plus root 6 minus of root 6 plus root 5 minus of root 6 plus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5 plus 2. Okay, now there is a bracket work. We have to remove bracket, and all of you know whenever we are removing the bracket, we have to multiply the sign before the bracket and with the sign of every term inside the bracket. And if there is a plus sign, okay, then and the sign of the term inside the bracket will remain same. And if there is a minus sign before the bracket, then all the terms will change their sign. The plus term will be minus and minus will be plus. You see here 3 plus root 8 before the bracket, there is no sign, means which sign? Plus sign. So it will be, we have to multiply the sign, plus into plus plus 3 and plus into plus what? Plus root 8. Okay, understand? Okay, after calculation you see here there is a minus sign before the bracket, so we have to multiply the sign minus into plus. Here root 8 means which sign? Plus sign. So minus into plus is minus root 8 and minus into plus is minus root 7. Okay, so after calculation you see removal of the bracket. Understand? So it is what? 3 plus 3 plus root 8, 3 plus root 8, here plus root 8 will be minus root 8 plus root 7 will be minus root 7. Okay, understand? You are able to see now, here the sign is minus, here sign is plus. So the plus root 8 will be minus root 8. After removal of the bracket, if there is a minus sign before the bracket, so all the terms inside the bracket will change their sign. Very important point. But if there is a plus sign, the sign will remain same. Okay, so plus root 8 will be plus minus root 8 plus root 7 will be minus root 7. Here the plus sign has been changed to minus sign. Very important point. Note down. Similarly, here is a plus sign before the bracket, so plus root 7 will plus root 7, sign will remain same. Plus root 6 will be plus root 6. There is no change in the sign, but here is which sign? Minus sign. So here the plus root 6 will be minus root 6. Okay, and plus root 5 will be minus root 5. Okay, here similarly, here plus root 5 will be which sign? Plus root 5, and plus 2 will be plus 2. Okay, this is how we have to focus to remember how to remove the bracket. Okay, this is the methods. Just you have to remember it. Okay, so after removal of the bracket, you see here, this is plus root 8, and this sign will be minus root 8. We can cancel. Minus root 7 plus root 7 will be cancelled. Plus root 6 and minus root 6 will be cancelled. Minus root 5 and plus root 5 will be cancelled. After cancellation, in the first term is 3, remaining terms left, and last term is 2. So it will be what? After cancellation, you shall get 3 plus 2, which is 5. And this is what the required value of the given expression. Okay, after simplification by process of rationalizing denominators. This is one of the important questions and vital questions, and also this is the methodology. And while we are simplifying, okay, you just follow the methods. Hence, we got the value of the desired expression, which is 5. Okay, I hope you have understood the class, and also there is a homework given to you. Look at the homework in the form of assignment. Look at the assignment here and try for the assignment. Okay, thank you for your questions. Have you doubt towards me? Okay.